Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and my name is 𝓟𝓵𝓪𝓵, and today in this video we will learn how to host your any website, WordPress website or PHP script on Amazon Web Service. We will create and configure Amazon EC2 instance, and then we will install Cyberpanel on your Amazon web server. Then we will know how to install WordPress or any website or transfer your any existing website to Amazon web hosting. So, why you use Amazon AWS for your web hosting solution? Many popular websites using AWS for their web hosting solution, like ThemeForest, 𝓞𝓽𝓱𝓮𝓻 or bbc.com and opera.com, Binance, Notion, and lots of popular websites using AWS for their web hosting solution. Because of Amazon AWS can handle millions of traffic, you can easily increase and reduce RAM, ROM, and another server specification anytime. Normal share web hosting won't provide you these features, and it has load balancing, auto scaling, and another features. And Amazon AWS is a highly scalable hosting platform. So let's get started, and before starting this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel to get more updates. So first of all, visit aws.amazon.com. I will give you this link in the video description box below. And then we need to sign in or sign up our account. Just if you have existing account, you can sign in, or if you don't have any account, just click on complete sign up button and scroll down and click on this button, create a new AWS account. Then type your account information, just type your Gmail ID and your account name. Then click on this button, and we need to verify our Gmail address. So just check your Gmail address and paste this code. You will get a verification code like that. Just open this mail and copy this code from here. Just copy it and go back to your AWS and paste it over here. Then click on verify button, and as you can see, we have successfully verified our email address. Then set your root user password and again type your password. Then click on this button, continue to next step. Then select your account type. So I want to create this account for personal purpose, so I am selecting personal. Then type your full name and type your phone number and select your country. So I am typing my account information, then click on continue button. Then type your credit or debit card information. Don't worry, I will show you how to use this account for free. I am typing my Pioneer MasterCard account, then click on this button. Then select your country and type your phone number and complete the captcha from here. Then click on this button. Then you will be received a verification code on your phone number. Just type this code and click on this button. Then select your service plan from here. So I want to use free plan. So it has three types of plan, business support or developer support, and I have selected free plan. Then click on this button, and as you can see, we have successfully created our account. And wait a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and you will get an email notification if you activate your account. After 5 to 10 minutes, then click on this button and you will be redirected to your sign-in page. Then select root user from here, then type your email address and type your password and click on sign in button, and as you can see, we have got our dashboard. Next, I want to show you how to create Amazon EC2 instance from your Amazon account. So first of all, we need to select our server location from here. Just click on it and select your server specific location. So I want to host my website US East Virginia. You can select Singapore or another region. So I have selected this option, US East and Virginia. Okay. Then click on services, and we need to create EC2 instance or compute service. Click on compute, and it has lots of features. I want to create EC2 instance or virtual server. Click on it, EC2, or you can search from here EC2. Just search for EC2 and select it. Click on EC2, and this is the EC2 dashboard, and you can control everything from here. So just go to instance option from the dashboard and click on the launch instance. Okay, so just click on it, and we will create a server or computer, cloud compute from here. For example, if you buy a computer, you need to install operating system, and you will get RAM, ROM, storage, and another option. So Amazon instance like that, this instance will be run 24 hours to live your websites. So first of all, we need to type our instance name. So you can type anything. You can type your website name or company name from here. And then we need to select our application and OS images or Amazon machine images from here, like your computer operating system. So you can select Red Hat or install Red Hat operating system, or you can select Mac OS to install Mac OS, or select Windows. So you will get lots of operating system or machine images from here. So I'm gonna select Ubuntu because of Ubuntu is super secure, and then Amazon machine images option. So you can select your Ubuntu version from here. So Ubuntu server 22.04 or 20.04, but I don't want to install latest version of Ubuntu. I wanna select old version or 20.04 because of this version will be support almost every software. Okay, so we have selected this option, but you have to select free tier. So I have selected free tier eligible. If you don't select free tier eligible, Amazon AWS send you bills for every month. Okay, so next we need to select our instance type. Just scroll down and go to the instance type section and select your instance type from here. By default, you will get free tier eligible T2.micro package or instance type, and this family will provide you 1B or 1 virtual CPU or 1 GB memory. Don't worry, you can change this instance type anytime. I will show you later how to change an instance type from your instance dashboard. So now I want to show you how to calculate these prices for T2.micro or another family from AWS pricing calculator. Because of Amazon will give you free tier account only for 1 year. After expiring the free tier account, Amazon will be charged from you for every instance or every services. Okay, I wanna create T2.micro instance type package pricing from the AWS pricing calculator. Just visit calculator.aws. Okay, just visit this website, then click on this button and select your service from here or search your service. Just type EC2 and Amazon EC2. Okay, so let's click on configure, then select your region from here. I have selected Virginia because of I have selected Virginia from my account. Okay, that's why I selected this option. Then we need to select our EC2 specification from here. Okay, and EC2 instance type, you can select EC2 instance or choose your instance type. So I wanna select my EC2 instance type from here. Just scroll down and we have got lots of instance type. So let's see, this is our EC2 T2.micro. Okay, so select T2.micro, and as you can see, this is our total upfront cost. So you can change payment option from here. Okay, so I'm gonna select 1 year. So I want to know how much it will be cost for 1 year, and if you use this instance for 1 year, and it will be our upfront cost. Okay, following the same process, you can select another option and you can calculate another Amazon AWS service from here. So I wanna close this option, and next create pair option. So we need to create or generate key pair to log in our server or instance. Click on it and type your key pair name. So you can type anything, don't worry, whatever you want, you can type anything. So I have typing this option and select your key pair format. So I wanna use PuTTy software, and I will show you how to use PuTTy software and use this format. Okay, I have selected this option, then click on key pair, and as you can see, we have downloaded this key pair file. So we will use this file later, and you have to save this file safely. You can also save this file to your pen drive. Next, go to network settings and network, select your network VPC or subnet option. So you can set the default settings. Go to firewall and security group option, just create new security group, or you can select existing security group from here. Then we need to allow SSH traffic, so just check on it and you can select anywhere, and it will be public accessible, and we will be able to log in our SSH client using the SSH traffic option. And next, allow HTTPS traffic from the internet. So if you allow this option, you can active your SSL certificate and it will be allow 443 port, and then allow this option. So I will show you later how to edit security group and how to add another port on security group. And next, configure storage. So you can type your storage or disk space. So I am typing 30 GB. So you'll get up to 30 GB for your free trial eligible account. So that's why I am typing 30 GB. Then click on launch instance and wait a few seconds. It will take some seconds. So wait a few seconds and see. We have successfully created our instance and click on instance, and as you can see our instance is running, but our status check is initializing. So wait 1 to 2 minutes. After completing this process, you can view your instance, or you can see more details. Just click on ID and instance ID, and as you can see we have got more details about this instance. Okay, so we need to use the public IP address. You can easily connect your domain to the server using the public IP address. So I will show this thing how to do it, but I don't use this IP address directly, because of if you stop this instance and again run this instance or reboot this instance, you will get another IP address, but this is the main problem. And as you can see, this IP address already changed. So that's why we need to use elastic IP address to fix this IP address. Okay, to get elastic IP address, just go to network and security tab, then click on elastic IPS, then click on this button allocate elastic IP address. So you can skip this option, no need to change anything, and scroll down, then click on this button allocate. Okay, that's it, and then you will get this IP address. So we have successfully allocated this IP address, and then we need to connect this IP address to our instance. So how to connect or how to associate this IP address? Just check this option and click on actions and click on associate elastic IP address. Okay, and from here you can select your resource type. So I have selected instance because of I wanna connect this IP address to my instance. Then you can select your instance from here. So as you can see, this is our instance name and instance. Just select it from here, then check this option and click on associate button. Okay, that's it, and again go back to your instance, click on instances and view this instance details. And as you can see, this is my public IP address or elastic IP address. So if you reboot or stop this server, you will get the same IP address. Okay, so that's all. Next, I want to show you how to access your web server. Then you can easily install Cyberpanel on your Amazon Web Service. So Amazon has multiple options to log in any instance and install your any software. Then click on actions and click on connect option, and then we will get this page and click on this tab EC2 Instance Connect, and you can connect using this user ID. Then click on connect, and as you can see we have successfully logged our EC2 instance. Then you can run any command on your Ubuntu server, and we can use any Ubuntu command. First of all, I wanna log in my root user, type sudo -i and hit enter, and as you can see we have successfully logged our root user, and you can run any command. Okay, also you can log in your instance using SSH client. We can use this information to log in our server, but we have selected PuTTy and downloaded this PuTTy file. Also we can log in our server using this PuTTy file. We need to download PuTTy software. I am searching for PuTTy, then visit this link, download PuTTy, then click on this button, download PuTTy. You can install PuTTy on your Windows or your Mac. Then open this PuTTy software from your computer. Just open it and paste your server IP address or host name, then type your port number. So by default port number is 22 for SSH. Go back to your EC2 Instance Connect tab and copy this IP address from here, and you can paste your IP address or host name over here. Then we need to select the PuTTy file. Just go to connection, click on connection, then click on SSH and click on plus icon, Then again click on this plus icon, click on auth and click on credentials. Okay, then you can select your private key from here. Just click on browse and select this file. So we have downloaded this file from our AWS. Then click on open and click on session. Then save your session to log in your server. Next time just type any name. So I'm typing the demo name. Then click on save and click on open. Then you will see this command prompt and login as. So type your username. So our username is Ubuntu. That's why you have to type Ubuntu and press enter and wait a few seconds. And as you can see, we have successfully logged our Ubuntu server. So I have shown two different options to log in your instance or Ubuntu server. You can use PuTTy software or you can use this AWS terminal. Now I want to install Cyberpanel to manage our WordPress website or any website, or you can control your server using Cyberpanel. You can manage your server without any technical knowledge, and we don't need to type any command to install Apache, PHP, WordPress or other script using cPanel, aPanel, htpanel, Cyberpanel. You can use any control panel to maintain it and you will get graphical interface. That's why we need to use any control panel. So we will use Cyberpanel free version and it has also pro version. If you wanna use cPanel, you can visit cPanel.net, but cPanel is paid. You have to purchase cPanel packages or you can use free trial. Click on buy cPanel and you will get some packages. You can purchase cPanel packages from here: solo, admin and pro package. So if you buy pro package, you will get up to 30 accounts at $39.99. You can run your web hosting business using WHM and WHMCS, but I don't want it. I wanna use this web hosting account for my personal business. That's why I wanna install Cyberpanel free version. Visit cyberpanel.net to install Cyberpanel. Then go to resource and click on documentation. Then open this post installing Cyberpanel. Just click on it. And we have got some requirements and you have to install operating system or images like CentOS, or you can install Ubuntu and it will support up to Ubuntu 22.04. Then RAM 1024 or 1GB RAM. So we have selected 1GB RAM, 30GB disk space. We have successfully completed these requirements and we are able to installing Cyberpanel. Just go to this section installing Cyberpanel and we need to update our packages before installing Cyberpanel. Just copy this code from here or command and go back to your terminal from your AWS and paste it over here. Then hit enter and wait a few seconds. It will be upgrade you some files of your Ubuntu server. Don't worry, it don't update your Ubuntu version. After completing this process, then go to the Cyberpanel documentation, and if you use CentOS or another image, you can run this command to update your packages. Then go to the next step, run the installation script. Okay, so you can use two different of script. You can use this script, or if you face any problem, you can use the second script. I wanna try to install Cyberpanel using the first script. Then paste it on your Amazon AWS terminal, but we need to log in our root user. Type sudo-i, but I have already logged as a root user. Then paste this command line. Okay, then hit enter. Oops, I am facing this error. So don't worry, we will use the second command. Just go back to your Cyberpanel documentation and copy this code from here and again paste it over here and hit enter. And as you can see, we have successfully get Cyberpanel installation option. So press 1 to install Cyberpanel. So I want to install Cyberpanel, that's why I am typing 1 from my keyboard. And the next step, we want to install Cyberpanel with open light speed. So this is the free version and it has also a paid version. If you want to use paid version, you can type 2 from your keyboard. So I don't want it. I want to install free version, open light speed. Press 1 for your keyboard and hit enter. And the next step, you can install Cyberpanel full service. So if you want to install it, you can press Y, include Power DNS postfix. I want to install these features, that's why I'm typing Y and press enter. And the next step, remote MySQL. So if you want to install MySQL server remotely, you can press Y, but I don't want it. If you have a bigger size of database, you can install MySQL server, or you can use Amazon RDS service. First of all, you have to create RDS instance from the RDS option. Then you can connect your database remotely using this option. But I want to install database locally. That's why I am typing N from my keyboard, then hit enter. And as you can see, I have selected local MySQL. Okay, and press enter key to continue without latest version of Cyberpanel. So you can type your Cyberpanel version, you can install a specific version, but I don't want it. I wanna install latest version and press enter. Then we can choose our admin password to log in our Cyberpanel. So this is the default password to log in your Cyberpanel. So username and password. So you can type D to select default admin and password. Don't worry, I will show you how to change this username and password. And the next step, you can install memcache service to store your database. And this is the powerful PHP extension. So I want to install it. So type Y from your keyboard, then hit enter. And the Redis, so you can also install Redis PHP extension. Again press Y and hit enter. And the next step, hit enter. And as you can see, now running our installation process. And this process will take 15 to 20 minutes. After completing the installation process, and then we'll get these informations. And as you can see, we have got our Cyberpanel URL and Cyberpanel username and password. So I want to save this information, just copy it from here, and you can save it on your notepad or somewhere. You just collect this information. After collecting this information, then you can restart your server. Just press Y and hit enter. Then we need to open these ports from our AWS Instance Security Group to access our Cyberpanel, web server, FTP account, mail server, or another service. You can copy these ports from here and save in your notepad. First of all, I wanna allow 8090 port to access our Cyberpanel. Before allow this port, we can visit this address, your server IP colon 8090, and you can hit enter and try to visit it. But you don't able to visit this page because of we need to allow this port 8090 from our security group. So just go to your instance option and go to network and security and click on security groups. It has two different of security group, but I don't know what's the security group for my instance. So you can check it from your instance option. Click on instance, and this is our instance, and scroll it, and as you can see, this is my security group name. I have created the security group, so we need to edit this security group from security group option and go back to your security group option and edit this security group. Just click on this group ID and you can allow these ports from here. And I have shown how to allow HTTP, HTTPS and another port from our instance creation page. To allow another ports, we need to edit inbound rules. Just click on it and you can add your new rules from here. Just click on it and select the TCP type. And I want to allow this port 8090 to access my Cyberpanel. Then select custom source and select it anywhere. So select this option to allow this port anywhere. Then click on this button, save rules, and we have successfully allowed this port. And you can visit this or reload this page, and as you can see, this page is working now, but it's showing SSL certificate error. So don't worry, I will show you how to install SSL certificate and secure the connection. To skip this error, you can select this option, click on advanced and click on proceed to unsafe. Okay, and as you can see, we have successfully see this page, and then type your admin username, Cyberpanel and type your password, Cyberpanel password. Okay, so our Cyberpanel password is 123456 7. So this is my default password. So I will show you how to change it from your Cyberpanel. And as you can see, this is our Cyberpanel dashboard. Okay, so you can easily control your website and make backup, website backup, and install WordPress or any PHP script from here. Then I wanna allow another ports following the same process. Okay, go back to your security group option and again click on inbound or edit inbound rules. Then click on add rules, then select custom TCP and type your port name. Following the same process, I am allowing all ports from here. So you can follow my steps to allow your ports. But by default, Amazon AWS blockade 25 ports to disable your email service. So we don't able to active our email service. Don't worry, you can active email service using Amazon SES or simple email service, and you can create your custom email and connect your domain. Don't worry, I will show you how to fix your email sending issue, and I will show you how to create your custom email using your domain name. Okay, but now I want to save these rules from here. Click on save rules. Okay, we have successfully allowed our additional ports. Then go back to the Cyberpanel and you can change this admin username and password. So how to change your admin password? Just go to users and then you can go to the view profile, or you can see the admin profile. So I wanna change email address and change user password. Okay, then go to modify password from here, then select your admin or username, then type your first name, last name, and type your email address. So I am typing my email address and set your any email address. Don't worry, you can type your Gmail address or any business mail. Then type your password, type your confirm password to log in this Cyberpanel account. Then click on modify user button. Okay, we have successfully changed our default password for this admin user, and next time you can log in your Cyberpanel using the username and new password. Now I want to create a website space to access our website file manager and upload our PHP script or WordPress website. You can easily manage your files and folders after creating your website. Go to websites and click on create website and then select package from here. So by default you can select default package, or you can create your new package. If you want to create multiple packages for your multiple user, you can easily create it. Just go to packages, click on packages and open the create new package from new tab, and here you can type your package name, then type domain amount, how many domain use this package user. If you type 0, and this package user can use unlimited domain, and if you type 10, and they can add 10 domain using this package. And the disk space, and if you type 1024, and then these package users can use 1 GB disk space, or if you type 0 and they will get unlimited disk space. But we have got only 30 GB free disk space from Amazon AWS, so these package users can use only 30 GB disk space from your instance. Don't worry, you can easily increase your 30 GB disk space. You can do it anytime. Just stop this instance from here and you can go to volume option and see the status. So go to your volume and just go to elastic block storage and click on volumes, and as you can see, this is my volume ID. So how you can know what's the volume ID for your instance? Again, go to the instance and select your instance from here and click on it. Click on this tab, and as you can see, this is my volume ID. So I want to edit this volume ID from the volume option, elastic block storage. Just go to elastic block storage, click on volumes, then click on the volume ID from here and click on modify button, and you can easily modify your storage from here. Okay, but we will get 30 GB storage for free. and if you want to increase it, you have to pay for it. Then again, go back to your Cyberpanel package option and type your bandwidth amount. Then type FTP account amount, how many FTP account can create of this package user. Then type database amount and emails amount, and then click on this button, create packages. Okay, we have successfully created this package, and go back to your website option and reload this page. And as you can see, we have got our new package, and select this package and select your package user. Then type your domain name, but we don't have any domain name right now. You can type your existing domain name, or you can buy a new domain name. And next I will show you how to buy a domain name, then pointing this domain name on your web server. To buy this domain name, you can visit namecheap.com, and I will give you this link in the video description box below. You can search your domain name from here, or you can buy domain name from GoDaddy or another platform. Type your domain name and click on search button, and as you can see, we have got this domain name, and this domain is available. Then click on this button, buy now, and you can use this coupon code to get discount. Then click on checkout, then paste your coupon code over here, then click on apply. But we don't able to use coupon code because of we wanna create new account, and type your account information, then click on this button, create account, and continue. Okay, and then you can use your previous coupon code. Okay, just type your coupon code or paste your coupon code and apply, and we have got the discount. Okay, then you can select your domain registration year, and you can active domain privacy option, and you can buy premium DNS, but I don't need it. Just scroll down and click on confirm order, and type your account all information and address, and then type your credit card or debit card information, or you can buy domain name using your PayPal account. After adding your card information, then click on the continue button, and then we have successfully ordered this domain name, and go to your Namecheap dashboard, and as you can see, this is our new domain name, and we have purchased this domain name for 1 year. Then click on manage and scroll down, and from here make sure you have selected Namecheap basics DNS, and then go to advanced DNS option, and you can easily manage your DNS records from here, and you can delete default records, and you can add your new records over here. So I wanna delete old records, then I wanna add my server IP address. So just click on add new record and select a record, and type your host name. So our host name, our domain name, or you can type @. So this means your domain name. Okay, so first of all, we need to copy our server IP address. Just go back to your Cyberpanel, or you can copy your IP address from your instance or AWS. So I wanna copy this IP address. This is my Elastic IP address, and paste it over here. Then save this option. After saving the DNS records, domain will hit your server IP address, but we don't able to access this website because of we wanna add this domain name from our Cyberpanel. And go back to your Cyberpanel and paste your domain name over here. Then type your email address and select your PHP version for this website. Don't worry, next time you can edit it or select or change your PHP version from here, and then select SSL certificate. I wanna active SSL certificate for this domain name or for our website, and then select DKIM support, and check on it, create mail domain. Then click on this button, create website, and wait a few seconds. So we have successfully installed our website. Then click on list websites. You can easily access your all website from the list website section. And as you can see, this is my new website, domain name and IP address, and our website is active now. And if you visit this URL or domain name, and as you can see, we have got Cyberpanel installed default page. So you can edit this page, or you can upload your custom website codes, or you can install WordPress. Click on manage option, And from here you can easily manage your domain name, and as you can see you have got SSL certificate, and you can add new domain from here. You can see your domain list and you can manage your SSL certificate, or you can install WordPress from here. Also you can install Git, PrestaShop and another platform. So first of all, I want to access my file manager to edit or upload our custom PHP script. Just click on file manager from here. Then open the public HTML folder, and here you can see this is our default file. Edit this file and you can type your own code or you can type your own text. So for example, I am typing my name and click on save change button, and if you visit your domain and if you reload it, and as you can see this is my name. Okay, so from here you can upload any custom code or PHP script or install WordPress website. You will get all files and folder in the public HTML folder, and I wanna delete the default HTML file from here. Then I wanna try to install WordPress. So go to your Cyberpanel option, click on Cyberpanel, and scroll down and go to WordPress. Click on the WP-ls cache and type your blog name or WordPress website name. So I am typing my website name, and then type login username and login password to login your WordPress, and type your email address and make it blank. Okay, so make it blank. I don't want to add path. Then click on install now. Then wait a few seconds, and as you can see we have successfully installed WordPress. And if you visit your domain or reload this page, and as you can see we have got WordPress default page. And if you want to access your WordPress dashboard, you can type /wp-admin and hit enter. And as you can see we have got the login page, and type your admin user and type your password, then click on login. And as you can see we have successfully logged our WordPress dashboard. Then you can install WordPress theme, plugin and make any website from here. Just go to appearance and click on themes, and you can easily add any theme. And you can follow my previous video to make any WordPress website, e-commerce website or other website. Then we will know how to install SSL certificate to secure the Cyberpanel connection, and we will make it secure. And we have already installed SSL certificate while installing our WordPress website from Cyberpanel. Okay, and if you face any problem for SSL certificate, you can reinstall your SSL certificate from SSL and then click on manage SSL. Then select your domain name, then click on install SSL, and it will be secure your connection, and your users can use credit card and debit card from your website. Okay, then you can click on hostname SSL to secure Cyberpanel SSL. So just click on it and select your domain name, then click on issue SSL. So we have successfully installed SSL certificate for our Cyberpanel. So if you wanna log in your Cyberpanel, you can use your domain. Just type your domain name :8090 and hit enter, and you will get the Cyberpanel dashboard, and you can log in your Cyberpanel. Okay, type your username and password, and as you can see we have successfully secured the Cyberpanel connection. Okay, and then I will show you how to transfer your existing website from your cPanel, or if you use another control panel you can easily transfer it from your one domain to another domain. So first of all we need to create a new backup and install new plugin to backup this website, and this is my domain, and just search for WP Vivid, and this is the best WordPress plugin to migrate or transfer your website or create your website backup. Okay, so first of all we need to click on install, then click on activate to activate this plugin. After activate this plugin, then you will see this page, and from here we need to create a new backup. Just go to WP Vivid backup. I wanna create backup of this website. Go back to your WP Vivid interface and select this option, database plus files. Then select save backup file to local, then click on this button backup now, and wait a few seconds. And my website is a very small website. After making the backup, and you will see this option, then click on download, and again click on download option, and you will get this file on your computer. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded this backup file, and I will show you how to upload it from your new website. Okay, so go to your new website, and this is my new website, and I have installed this website from Cyberpanel and reload it, and this is the default WordPress website, and we need to install same plugin from our new website and search for WP and click on install now, then click on activate. Okay, so we have successfully activated this plugin, and now I want to upload this backup file from our new website. Click on upload. But before uploading, we need to configure some PHP option, maximum execution time and upload maximum file size. So just go back to your Cyberpanel and go to PHP section. Click on PHP, then click on the edit PHP config. Then select your PHP version, or you can easily modify your PHP version from here. So I have selected PHP 8.1. From here you can increase your maximum execution time and upload maximum file size and another thing. But before increasing these features, I want to know what's the PHP version and memory limit of our WordPress website. You can check it from your WordPress dashboard. Just go back to your WordPress dashboard and go to Tools and open Site Help from new tab and click on Info. Then scroll down and click on Server, and as you can see, we have got our PHP version and memory limit and other thing. So now I wanna try to change these options from here. I have selected PHP 8.1 and I wanna change this option, memory limit. You can type 1024 M or 1 GB. Okay, then you can increase maximum execution time from here 30 seconds to 600 seconds, or you can type 900 seconds from here. Then you can increase upload maximum file size. If your backup size under the 2 GB, you can type 2048. Also, you can increase these options and click on Save Changes to save this option. Okay, that's all, and go back to your WordPress website and upload this website's backup file. Just select your backup file from here, then click on Open. Then click on upload and wait a few minutes. After uploading this file, then you will see this option and we can restore this backup file. Just click on restore from here and click on restore button and click on OK and wait some minutes, and our restoring process is running now. After restore this website, and you will get this login page, and if you visit your website, and as you can see, we have successfully transferred our website. Following the same process, you can transfer your existing website, one hosting to another hosting, one domain to another domain. But you have to use your old website password to log in this website. Next, I will show you how to secure this server and how to secure Cyberpanel. Also, Cyberpanel has lots of features like Docker Manager and another option. So if you click on Docker Manager, and you can easily manage Docker container and manage everything from here. And if you wanna secure your Cyberpanel, just click on Security and click on Firewall. Then you will see the default firewall of Cyberpanel. And from here you can enable and disable the firewall. You can enable by clicking this button. Also, you can allow or add more ports from here, and as you can see, Cyberpanel added these ports by default. And then go to secure SSH. You can easily secure your SSH connection, and you can change the SSH port from here, and you can see your SSH keys from here. But I don't want to change this thing. Just go to the next step, more security, and click on install now. So we have successfully installed it, and active these options from here. Then go to the next option, more security rules specs. Okay, then active this option and you can enable it. Then go to the next step, CSF, and you can easily active CSF firewall from here. So I wanna use default firewall of Cyberpanel. I don't wanna use CSF firewall. Then you can easily manage your version and go to the version management to see your running version of Cyberpanel. and you can easily manage your version of Cyberpanel cloud option. Let's click on connect to connect your Cyberpanel to Cyberpanel cloud server. Then type your username and password, and if you don't have account, click on sign up and type your account information. Then click on sign in up. Then verify your email address, go to your email, then check your email and you will get this verification code. Then click on this button and you will see this dashboard. This is the Cyberpanel Cloud Manager dashboard, and click on servers and click on connect. We need to connect our Cyberpanel to Cyberpanel Cloud Manager. Then type your server name, or you can type any name, your company name or website name. Then type your IP address. So this is my IP address of my server, and if you also, and you can also copy your IP address from your instance, view the instance and copy the public IP from here, and go back to your cloud manager Cyberpanel and paste it over here. Then type your Cyberpanel login password and type Cyberpanel access port, Cyberpanel port 8090. So we don't need to change it. Let's click on connect button and you will see this error. So don't worry, I will show you how to fix it. So you have to give access for your admin user. Just go to your Cyberpanel and click on users and click on API access, and we need to give the access enable and click on save changes, and that's it. And again go back to your Cyberpanel cloud manager and click on connect, and as you can see we have successfully connected our server. And following the same process, you can connect your multiple servers from the server section. Then click on connect, and again you can connect your another server into the Cyberpanel cloud. Then click on lead servers to see your server list, and as you can see this is my server and we have added this server, and click on manage. And as you can see our CPU load, memory states, and as you can see we have got 954 MB of our AWS instance, and we have selected 1 GB RAM, and you can easily change this amount from your AWS instance. Just go back to your AWS and go to instance, and you have to change this instance type to increase and reduce it. Just click on it or open the instance. First of all you have to stop the instance. Click on instance states and click on stop instance and click on stop. After stop it the instance, then click on action and click on instance settings. Then you can go to change the instance type, and you can change the instance type from here. And I have shown what's the means of 𝓞𝓽𝓱 and another family package, so you can easily calculate this price from your AWS calculator. Then click on apply and you can easily change your instance type. Then you will see this space from here, and as you can see disk uses, so you can easily change the disk uses, and we have selected 30 GB disk space from our AWS, and as you can see we have used 7 GB disk space, free 21 GB. Okay, so you can see your website list from here. You can see our domain, packages and owner name and everything. So also you can deploy WordPress from here. Then I want to show you how to change the version of Cyberpanel. Click on settings and click on upgrade, and you can easily upgrade and downgrade your Cyberpanel. Then you can select Cyberpanel version from here. You can easily upgrade it, and as you can see we have got Cyberpanel version. And as you can see we have selected OS version Ubuntu 20.04 from our AWS. Okay, then as you can see our kernel is AWS, and this is our kernel version, and that's it. And next I will show you how to connect Cloudflare CDN on your web server. And now let me explain what is CDN and why use CDN. So CDN means content delivery network, and why use CDN service for your website. So I'm going to show some example to knowing you what is the CDN and how it works. For example, you have purchased web hosting from Singapore or another location. Then you have hosted your website on the web hosting, and if someone try to visit your website from another location, and this is the very lengthy process. First of all they can send request from their device, then your website will be load their device. That's why we need to use CDN service or content delivery network, and CDN service provider has lots of server location, and they can copy your website to their servers. And if someone try to visit your website, and they can visit your website from their nearest server, okay, and that's why they will get fast loading website performance. Then you can easily reduce your website loading time. So first of all, visit cloudflare.com and hit enter. Also, you can manage your all DNS records using Cloudflare. No need to log in your Namecheap or another domain provider and manage your DNS service. We can manage all DNS from our Cloudflare account. So first of all, we need to sign up our account. Click on sign up and type your email address and type your password. Then click on sign up and click on add a website or application. Then paste your domain name. Then click on continue. Then you will get multiple plans from here, so you can purchase paid plan, but I wanna use free plan. Then click on continue button and wait a few seconds, and as you can see, we have got our existing records, and we have added this IP address from our Namecheap domain management system. Then we need to disable this option and we need to use DNS only. Make sure we have disabled it, and then click on the continue button and wait a few seconds. And as you can see, we have got another page, so we need to log in our Namecheap account. Then we need to replace these name servers and use Cloudflare name server from our Namecheap account. So log in your Namecheap account and go to dashboard and go to your domain section, then click on manage. Then we have to change our name servers from the name server section. Select custom DNS from here and paste your Cloudflare name server. Just copy it and paste it over here, and copy the second one and again paste it over here and save this option. And that's all, and go back to your Cloudflare and click on this button, scroll down and click on this button and then click on it. Then you can enable this option, automatic HTTPS redirects, and then save this option. And the next step, you can enable it always HTTPS, but I don't want it. I have activated HTTPS or SSL certificate from Cyberpanel, so I don't want to use it. Then save these options from here, then click on finish. Then click on this button, check name servers, and wait 15 to 16 minutes. And then as you can see, we have got a message. So we have successfully connected our website to Cloudflare. Then go to SSL and TLS option and make sure you have selected flexible from here. Because of I don't wanna use SSL certificate from Cloudflare directly, I wanna use or active SSL certificate from Cyberpanel, and already I have activated SSL certificate from our Cyberpanel. And make sure you have make it flexible. Also, we can manage our DNS from DNS section. Just click on DNS and you can add your new record or you can delete your existing records from here. And if you visit your Namecheap and if you go to your domain section and if you go to advanced DNS, you don't find your existing DNS records from here. You have to manage all DNS from your Cloudflare option or Cloudflare DNS records, and you can easily add, delete and manage it from your Cloudflare. So I have shown you how to install Cyberpanel in your EC2 instance and configure EC2 instance, then install WordPress using Cyberpanel. But another problem is emails. So if you wanna create any email from your Cyberpanel, it will not work perfectly because of Amazon AWS instance blockade 25 port or SMTP port by default. So I'll show you later how to fix this issue and how to use third-party email service 𝓣𝓲𝓭𝓮𝓸𝓼, how to create custom email, then integrate SMTP on your WordPress website. Then you will get WooCommerce order notification and you can easily use contact from on your WordPress website, and you will be get email notification in your email. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the YouTube channel to get more updates.